today let's start with chapter number 6, that is human resource. So in this chapter let's study about human resource. Human beings are considered the most important resource as country as they contribute towards the growth and development. Right, in past when most of the work was done manually, it was the size of the population that determined power of the country. So after industrial, with the advent of the machine age, the equation changed. What happened? One machines could perform the task for several persons with greater speed, and the focus shifted from having large population to having well-trained skilled work. So by skill we mean the capability and capacity to convert natural useful products. So distribution of population, जो pattern है population distribution का, the way in which human beings are spread across the world. So number of people जो रह रहे हैं in 1 square kilometer area of land, it is called density of population. So according to density of population, we can roughly divide the world in 3 regions. What are these 3 regions? They are thickly populated areas, moderately populated areas, sparsely populated areas, right? So if we talk about densely populated area, in India, the subcontinent, China, Japan, Korea and Philippines, they are densely populated. So Great Britain, France, Netherlands, Italy and Europe, Russia, they are densely populated. And you can say that Europe, Australia और जो North America है वो कम populated है. Moderate populated areas क्या होते हैं? The region that are agriculture developed in semi-urban areas. जैसा आपका अफ्रीका, यूरोप एंड एशिया, ये सराउंड करता है मेडिटेरियन सी को. ठीक है, आपका ट्रॉपिकल रीजन हो गया वेस्ट अफ्रीका का, टेम्परेट रीजन हो गया रशिया, ईस्टर्न यूरोप, डेक्कन प्लेटू, साउथ इंडियन, Iraq and Iran, eastern China and coastal part of South America. What they have? Modern density population. Now what are sparsely populated area? Sparsely populated area are the hot desert, cold desert and high mountain area. Tundra region जो है नॉर्थ में, ये thickly forested area है किसके? अमेज़न और कॉन्गो बेसिन. Then factors affecting the distribution of population. First is relief feature. If we talk about relief feature, ये maximum concentration जो होती है वो level land पे suitable होती है agriculture के लिए, industries के लिए, development of roads and railways, construction of buildings. The plains of Western Europe, northern plains of India, they are the example of densely populated region. If we talk about climate, so all areas have experienced extreme climate, जैसे very cold, hot, very hot, wet, dry. ये सारे अलग अलग क्या है climatic. Resources, population concentration is also affected by presence of various resources, जैसे mineral हो गया, water हो गया, soil हो गया. The region rich in mineral resource attract people and thus have high density of population. Fertile alluvial or lava soil can support more population than desert, mountain and lake. If we talk about industries, so in industries, development of industry provide employment opportunity and hence attract people. If we talk about culture, so culture की बात करते हैं, places of religious importance always attract number of people. This is the reason of dense population of वाराणसी and मथुरा. जैसे आपकी वेटिकन सिटी हो गई, जेरूसलम हो गया, डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड. नाउ गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी, गवर्नमेंट लॉ पॉलिसी जो होती है क्रूशियल रोल प्ले करती है, राइट. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट पॉपुलेशन चेंज, इट इज द नेचुरल फिनोमेना व्हिच रेफर्स टू चेंज इन द नंबर ऑफ पीपल ड्यूरिंग स्पेसिफिक टाइम. ये किस पे डिपेंड करता है? बर्थ रेट पे, डेथ रेट पे, माइग्रेशन पे और रूरल ग्रोथ, नेचुरल ग्रोथ ऑफ एन एरिया. द नंबर ऑफ लाइफ बर्थ और डेथ पर 1000 इन अ ईयर इज नोन एज बर्थ रेट, डेथ. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बर्थ और डेथ रेट के जो बीच में डिफरेंस होता है वो आपका क्या होता है? एनुअल ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. इफ द नंबर ऑफ बर्थ एक्सीड्स द नंबर ऑफ डेथ विद इन अ ईयर, जो पॉपुलेशन होगी वो क्या होगी? आपकी इंक्रीज होगी. पॉपुलेशन चेंज इज ऑल्सो ब्रॉट अबाउट माइग्रेशन. माइग्रेशन क्या होता है? इट रेफर्स टू मूवमेंट. जब लोग एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस माइग्रेट करते हैं फॉर बेटर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज, फॉर एजुकेशन, राइट, एंड इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड माइग्रेशन. नाउ पॉपुलेशन पैटर्न. So to understand the quality of population of any country, we can use parameters. आप male और female ratio, number of children and adult, working and dependent population, जो characteristics है ये greatly इसको influence करते हैं quality of population in the country. Now sex composition, it is taken as a number of females per 1000, मतलब female upon male into 1000. And on average sex ratio, the world 99 females and 1000 males. एंड वही हाईएस्ट सेक्स रेशियो जो वर्ल्ड का वो लाटविया में है एंड लोएस्ट इज फाउंड इन यूए. इन यूरोपियन अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज द नंबर ऑफ फीमेल्स इज मोर देन नंबर ऑफ मेल. लिटरेसी लेवल की बात करते हैं, Besides affecting economic status, ये culture को भी affect करता है. Indian United Nations considered literacy and the knowledge as necessary and essential. It is essential not only for the life but also for well-being of our environment. Now age composition क्या है? Under 15 years. जो dependent section है उन्हें क्या continuous care चाहिए. Between 15 and 65, the working of the productive population, the people in this age group are ones that are active workers. Above 65 years अगर हम बात करें, ये dependent section होता है for the population and needs continuous care. Right? इसको क्या चाहिए होती है? Continuous care चाहिए. This is all in this chapter. Now let's move to the exercise. Now tick the correct option. The independent section of population between 15 and 65. The sex ratio shows the status of dash in the population. Males, females, children or adults. किसको दिखाता है? आपकी female. Literacy level of the people beside affecting economic status affect the dash also. Economic status के साथ साथ किसे? Population को भी affect करता है. Now population change refers to change in number of people. Dash have the minimum concentration of population. कहाँ? Mountains. Now fill in the blanks. If the number of deaths exceed number of births within a year, the population will increase or decrease. Population क्या होगी? Decrease. High dash with rugged surface and thin soil cannot support large population. So high डैश पॉपुलेटेड एरिया और एग्रीकल्चरली डेवलप्ड इन सेमी अर्बन, तो कौन से होते हैं? डेंसली. The focus shifted from having large population to having well trained and dash population. Well trained and skilled. If the number of deaths exceed number of births, so the population will decrease. The world population is divided into dash age group, different age group. Right, T for true and F for false. Population density is usually expressed per square kilometer. It's true. India is one of the most populous country next to China. It's true. Sex composition is the ratio between males and females. It's true. Estimated global population in the year 2000 was 6055. The female literacy is very high in Muslim community. First. The knowledge and skill of the people are important. It's true. Old age हो गया 60 to 50 to 65 sparse population. 200 high density. Now answer the following. What type of people are important factors in the development of nation? Why are human beings considered most important resource? आपको sex ratio को डिटेल में बताना है. Factors जो आपके distribution of population को affect करते हैं. How is world divided? On the basis of density of population. What is migration defined annual growth rate? Why do plains have maximum concentration of population? What is density of population? How is population divided according to the age structure? Right, this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.